folks struggle with a dull knife when they need it most. Cutting fruits and vegetables become a fight. But there's a way to bring that blade back to life in seconds, using nothing more than your lighter. Take a closer look at the spark wheel on top. Those small ridges that create the flame are made from hard steel, and they work just like a mini sharpening stone. Hold the lighter steady in one hand. Set the knife edge at a small angle against the wheel. With light, steady strokes, slide the blade across the ridges from base to tip about 5 to 10 times, then flip it over and repeat on the other side. The ridged steel gently files the metal, creating a quick new edge. It won't make your knife razor sharp, but it's perfect when you need a fast fix outdoors or at home. In just a few strokes, your knife feels sharper and ready for cutting. Now, let's test it with a tomato. As you can see, it's cutting really well, like if it was almost new.